Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything, and I got something so exciting to show you. Before I show you this, I want to note that tomorrow it says we're going to get down to 40 degrees here in the DFW area, and then we're going to get back up to 80 by Sunday, and then Monday they're saying 37 degrees here. So what I'm about to show you, I'm so happy about because it's going to help us. Ta-da! My husband and my brother-in-law got her covered today. You can see that we opted to go with the double layer on the top with the fan that blows in between the layers because it really will help insulate it. But not only that, during high winds, which we always have here, you guys know, it keeps it stable. Look at that. So there's still a little bit of work to do, but they got the big part done. It was very windy this afternoon, but they were able to get it done early in the morning. We had about 7-mile-an-hour southeast wind, so praise the Lord that he slowed it down a bit for them to get done what they needed to get done. But looky here, they still have to put the poles down on the bottom because the difference between a high tunnel and a greenhouse is a high tunnel is you use the outside air to moderate your temperature inside of it. And I'm going to show you why, but see, these sides will roll up, and I think I showed you maybe on one video, but let me walk over here, that we also have 4 vents. We have 2 vents on each end, we have 2 doors on each end, and we have an overhead door. But let's go in real quick and let me show you. It is 84 degrees here in Texas right now. Woo-wee! He has got the weed cloth down, and we have some exposed dirt because that's where I'm going to plant some things that I don't want under the weed cloth. But look, this is why we need a high tunnel so that we can moderate the temperature in here by using the outdoor air. We will be able to moderate it with the overhead door and the vents. After throwing a little snippet here of all my plants coming up, my fall plants, I have 2 raised beds, and I'll be covering these with plastic on Sunday as well, just in case we get a little lower and get a light frost or even a freeze. You never know. Okay, this is the next morning, guys. Wanted to show you, it's doing just fine. It is a balmy 72 degrees here right now in Texas. We are expecting a cold front with heavy thunderstorms to move through here by 10 o'clock. Now we're expecting 40-mile-an-hour winds. We will come out here and see how this baby holds up. I'll go inside, and we really think she's going to do just fine because of the construction. Number one, my husband did a wonderful job. He did extra secure walls and a couple of extras just to make sure that our high tunnel is going to survive through the heavy storms that we get here in Texas. Also, we do have the top is double layered, and it has the air. Ooh, did you just see that lightning? The top has the air pump through it, which gives it a little bit more stability and helps insulate it during the winter. Again, I'll be planting this weekend in there, probably tomorrow, maybe this afternoon after work. I might get in there and put some things in the ground, and so excited. So stay tuned here in a little bit for a follow-up for how this beautiful high tunnel stands during a very heavy thunderstorm. By the way, we're going to drop down to the 40s tonight. You can see the ominous clouds rolling in, guys. It's very still. The wind, what little wind we have, is coming out of the southeast, and it's going to turn around to the north when this front moves through. This is going to drop us down tonight again, and then Sunday we're going to be back up to 80, I believe, and then Monday we get another round, and it's going to drop us down pretty close to a light frost or possibly a freeze. Here's looking to the southeast. Now, let's go this way. And there it is. You've heard the term red sky and mourn, sailor take warn. That's what's happening right now. Moved all my plants that are going to go into the high tunnel on the south side of my raised bed to protect them. This is looking to the west from my kitchen window. Could get a little concerned this morning, guys. Maybe some hail, some high winds. Gonna be watching. It's rolling in. So far the winds are about 18 miles an hour from the northwest. She's holding up good. Praise the Lord. Can't get out there right now. But you can see it's a heavy wind. Looks like it's doing good, guys. Woo-wee. She came through like a champ, guys. You saw it got a little rough in those videos. Let's go check out the inside. Not a drop of rain. Came through. Praise the Lord. So I will be busy this weekend planting in here, and I'll do an update video for you. You can see. It looks great. Okay, guys, so she's looking good. I've got all my plants here, getting ready to be put inside. The temperature is starting to drop. It is quite pleasant out here right now, but I can feel that north wind starting to blow through. We're supposed to be around 55 degrees between 4 and 5 p.m., maybe a little sooner. We expect to get a little chilly tonight. But anyway, you can see everything is growing really great. I really expect it to grow really great inside the high tunnel as well. We got a lot more videos coming up. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Also click that little bell up in the right hand corner so you're notified when we post a new video. And if you like this video, hit that like. Take care, God bless, and we will see you later this weekend.